Hello, I'm James Hanna, Operations Director for Ground Control's Rail Division. For some time now, Ground Control's Rail team have been trying to come up with a solution to a scenario where we have a catastrophic failure of a chipper during a possession and no other form of recovery such as an RRV exists. If that chipper's fouling the line, it could lead on to costly possession overruns. So we approached our engineering partners Masons Kings to build an engineering solution.
Hi, I'm Elliot from Masons Kings. So one of the core objectives of the business is to find a solution for our customers' requirements, and this is a perfect example of this. Ground Control came to us and they gave us this situation where if the wood chipper fails, they need to get it off the line and into a position of safety. They can't guarantee on the environment or the situation. Railway lines are very undulating, so the machine needs drive. We sent it to the specialist technicians and they came up with this recovery unit that we see here today. So the simplest explanation for this is you connect the recovery unit into the hydraulic system. When you do that, you are rediverting the supply of oil away from the failed wood chipper onto this independent petrol-powered oil pump. When that's all connected, you can then start moving the machine using the operator controls on the wood chipper itself, move it away off the railway line and into that position of safety.
We believe this recovery system presents significant cost and efficiency savings, removing reliance on RRVs and eliminating risk of possession overrun. Please contact Masons Kings for further information.